In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up a new organization in Xero. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once you are signed in, look to the top left corner of the screen where your current organization name appears. Click that name to open the organization menu, then choose Add New Organization. This opens the setup flow for creating a separate organization inside your account, so make sure you are selecting the correct option before moving ahead. On the next screen, enter your business name in the field provided. Use the name you want attached to this organization in Xero, since this is how the file will be identified inside your account. After that, select your industry and your country from the available menus. These details help shape the setup and make sure the organization is aligned with the right regional settings. Once those fields are in place, review the organization settings shown on screen. Check the time zone first and update it if needed so activity in the account reflects the correct local time. Then look at the currency setting and confirm that it matches the currency you want this organization to use. You will also see the financial year setting. Review that carefully and update it if your reporting year is different from the default shown. This is one of the details worth checking closely before continuing because it affects how the organization is configured from the start. Next, choose whether your business has employees. Xero uses that answer to guide the setup for payroll-related features where applicable. You will also be asked to select your current accounting tool. Pick the option that best matches what you are using now or the closest available choice in the list, so the setup reflects your current situation. After that, continue by clicking either Start Trial or Buy Now, depending on how you want to begin. If you choose a trial, Xero will move you into the trial setup process. If you choose to purchase right away, you will be taken into the subscription path instead. In both cases, the next part is selecting a Xero subscription plan. Go through the available plan options and choose the subscription that fits the organization you are creating. When you select a plan, Xero will show a review page with the plan details and the information you entered during setup. Take a moment to review this screen carefully. Confirm that the business name, region, settings, and plan are all correct, then continue to complete the setup process. Once you finish that final confirmation, the new organization is created and added to your Xero account. Your new organization in Xero is now set up and ready in your account.